always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough.
Hello everyone, I hope you're all okay. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you around my little boy's under the sea themed nursery. I thought I would film this video because we are going to be changing his bed today into a single bed. So I thought it would be good to see the room with two styles of bedding. This one is a toddler bed, which was the cot. And we are going to be putting a single bed in here, which used to be my other little boy's, and it's one of those teepee beds which are like on the floor but then have like the teepee wooden beams. So I'm really looking forward to putting that up for him because he just needs a little bit more space now. This is the smallest of all the bedrooms in our house, but I do feel like we've made really good use of the space and some little key areas for some of his favourite things. So yeah, I'm going to show you around now and I hope you enjoy the video. So I'm going to start off in this corner. This is the most recent project that we have done in here. I will leave the video of how I did this linked down below. But we made this corner into his chalkboard wall mural. So we've got a coral here, a little fish and a stingray, and then we have a little basket here with some chalks in, and this is well used, as you can see, so I'm so happy that I did this. It really didn't take long and it was so cheap as well to do, so I absolutely love that. And then moving around to this side, we just have his little table from IKEA, and he now sits here and he can do his drawing and his puzzles and his building. So I'm really happy that we now have this little area. Moving over to this wall, so this is actually wallpaper. This is a wallpaper wall mural, and this is from I Love Wallpaper. But I did a collaboration with them on Instagram, and yeah, this is the one that we picked, and I just love it so much. It literally just makes the room, just fits so well. And moving down here, so this is the bed that we currently have. I may need to do a little bit of shuffle around because I'm not sure how it's going to work with the single bed, but we will figure that out and you'll probably see later on in this video. But this is his snooze cot that he used to have. So originally it was his cot here. And then we made it into the toddler bed. I think these are just so cute, and I love his little bed so much, but he is due a big bed now because this is a little bit too small for him. And then this bedding, so I think this bedding was from La Rudette or one of those Swedish house brands. But they only do it in the toddler bedding because I wanted to get it in single and they don't do it. So it just says sea baby on, and there's like a little whale. And I think as well it goes so well with his wallpaper. You have to buy this pillow separately. And look, it has a little tail on, it's so cute. And then this shell I got from Shein, I think. And then the big cushion behind is from Home Bargains. And then just behind here, I have a storage box. This is from B&M. I haven't took that stick off yet. That looks so bad, doesn't it? But I don't know where I'm going to put this also when I put the single bed in. But I got this to hold just some of his bigger toys. But he doesn't actually have much in there because we did have a clear out before Christmas, and then he's got a couple of soft toys on here. He's really into Toy Story at the moment, so we won that in the arcade, and he's just so cute, little Buzz. And then he's got a little dinosaur here. So that is that side of the bedroom, and then if we move round, I'm still yet to get him a new blind because I don't want the grey beams going down there. On here he has this shell. I got this from B&M. It was like a creamy colour, but then I sprayed it white and I put like that textured spray paint on it, and it kind of looks like sand, which I really love. And then round to this side, over here I've got his shelves These are from IKEA. I love these so much. I love the wood. I feel like it brings some warmth to the room. And then we've got this plant here, which is kind of like a little seaweed one. It doesn't stand up anymore, but I'm trying my best to keep that alive. I did again the same with the plant pot. And then I've got this whale here. He was from B&M. A little print which was from Etsy, and a little starfish that was from Shein, and a little crystal. I then have this shelf. So this is some seaweed from the beach. A print from Etsy, and this whale. I think I got that in the range. I think that looks so nice on there. I'm so happy with his shelves. And then we have this mirror, which came in a set of 3 from B&M. And Ava Lily has the other 2 in her room. I thought that one gave me like sailor vibes, you know, so I thought that would work well in here. And then down here we have these storage baskets. These are also from the range. They have like a nautical little section in there full with sort of beachy themed things, I think for like bathroom, but they worked really well in here, and you get a set of 2, and I think they were under £10. So I've got nothing in this one because we're just keeping that free to put some things in. And then this one has got trains in. And then this storage unit is from IKEA. I can't remember which one it's called. I get confused with the Kallax, but this is the other one. And you can like arrange these however you want, but we've gone for the 3 small drawers and then the 3 bigger ones at the bottom. And I mean, it's working okay because like this one fits all his like little fidgety bits in perfect. He's got his cars in there, and then this bigger ones fit in like the puzzles and like bigger things. I mean, we don't have much in here, to be honest. Teddies, and again, little figures. And then next to that unit we have this little reading station bit here. So I got this basket from TK Maxx, and then that little shelf is from IKEA. Yeah, he just has a few of his books in here, and we also do go to the library quite often, so I always change these books up, and it's really nice because you can have like your seasonal books out on the shelf, which I love, and he loves this because he can reach this so easily to get his books. And then let me switch this on. We have his little light here, which I got from Home Bargains, and I thought that just went well with the theme. It's a really nice sensory thing to have, and he just loves it, so he has that on sometimes, and then other times he has this nightlight on. So this is like one of the baby ones, but it shines lights like this up on the ceiling, and he really loves this because he says they're like little fishies. So we've got that one, and then we've also got another one here. This is like a, I think this is called an egg or something, but that plays music and it's portable. I mean, we're still working on night time, so we just go with whatever works. But yeah, he's got a few nice little sensory lights in here. And then, so if I swing you around this way, you'll see, so the door is here, the books, and then in between that, behind the door, this is where I have his wardrobe, which sits so nicely in this gap. And I even have a little bit down the corner here left, and I've just added some hooks on here, which I got from Shein, and he can hang all his coats and stuff on there, which is quite nice. And then this is the outside of the wardrobe. So these are the Pax wardrobes. I've got some like seaweed type plant hanging here, which I love, and we went for the black handles. But yeah, these you customise yourself, so you just have to find what works for you. But we have gone for the 3 drawers option, and then we've got like this basket at the bottom for shoes. But yeah, I've just got like quite a few random bits in there, which I do need to sort out this wardrobe because yeah, we're kind of in between seasons at the moment, aren't we? But he has got so much space in here, as you can see. So a lot to work with, but this is just so good because we can keep so much stuff in here, and it is all hidden behind the door and doesn't take up any room. So that is a tour of the room. I thought I would just share with you the bedding that we are going to be putting on his bed. I got two because these were in H&M and I got some kind of discount. I think it was 20% off, I don't know, so I thought I'll grab two, but I got them both for £30. And these colours I just think go so lovely with his room. We've got this lovely like muted green one, and there's some green within that, and then we've got the blue, which is a bit of a darker shade to his paint, but you see the blue here on the stingray and on the whale and there on that little sea creature, it's the same. So yeah, I thought I would share them with you before I put them in the wash, because I need to just pop out now to get a single bottom bed sheet because I forgot one. So we're gonna pop out, and when we get back we're gonna put the other bed up. I also just remembered I didn't share with you the colour of the blue paint. The white is just pure brilliant white, but the blue paint, I need to have a look back on the video when we did the room. So I will probably put on screen here what it is, and I'll also put that video down in the description of when we first moved in and we did this room, because we didn't have this wallpaper then either, and that is when we had his cot in here. So yeah, I thought I'd share those with you. I'm now going to put them in the wash, and then when I get back we will put up the big bed and pop his new bedding on. So I've just got back from Asda and I picked up these soft touch fitted sheets. They were £3.50 each. And whilst I've been out, Will has been putting together the bed. Oh, I love this bed so much. How nice is it? It's got a few little marks on here and there, but I think I can clean that up. I think they're stickers. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to this being finished. We've just got to put the slats in the bottom and the one here. And then yeah, we're good to go. So this is the room with the big boy bed in. It does take up a lot more room, as you can see. We now can't have this toy box in here, but it's fine because I think I can like go between the living room and here and empty that out anyway. But yeah, what do you think of this? Oh my god, bless him. We still couldn't find the slats, so we've actually ordered some because the mattress is on the floor at the moment, so they will come tomorrow. This is the new bedding. He chose the blue. It is very creased, like he slept in this last night and this is the result of that, so I am definitely going to need to get some crease release for that. But yeah, I'm still figuring out how to make the bed as well. But apart from that, I thought I would just show you this room with a single bed in as well. And then if you come around from this way, so this is sort of his corner and how much room he's got is sort of the same. So that is worked out fine as well. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.